Hey, what's going on, you guys? So, in today's video, we are going to talk about if it is possible to play Spotify and YouTube at the same time. All right, so let's find out. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and open up Spotify. Okay, so here it is. All right, now I am going to play a music in Spotify. All right, so here we can see that Spotify is playing. Now let's go ahead and open up YouTube. All right, now let's try and play a random video here. Let's try this one. Let's play this video. Okay, now let's check if Spotify is still playing. So here we can tell that Spotify is not playing anymore because the play button here changed. Okay, now let's check YouTube if it's playing. All right, so we can see here that YouTube is playing. Now let's try to play Spotify. And here you can see that YouTube also automatically stopped. Now let's check Spotify if it is still playing. And here we can see that Spotify is still playing. All right, now how about if we pause it again? And Spotify is not playing again. So this means that as of now, there is no way to play Spotify together with YouTube in just one device. So if you are on desktop, you can actually do this, but on mobile device, it is not possible. All right, so I hope this information is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.